Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We are very thankful to the government. The priorities for the vaccination for seafarers have started. Yesterday, there was a unity support from all over India to reduce the gap of 84 days. I visited a lot of centers in the morning. Echo is of the second dose. The gap is too long. And Goan Seamen Association of India are supporting this cause to reduce kurpak. तशेंच आज जायत्या जाणांक तारवट्यांक थोड्यो अडचण जाल्यो थिंगा वदां डिनाय केले बिकॉज ऑफ द लॅक ऑफ एविडन्स ऑफ डॉक्युमेंट तांकां प्रोड्यूस करपाक. सो हेचेर वी हॅव डायरेक्टेड द seafarers to contact captain of ports, that is Captain James Braganza. And I also talked to Captain James Braganza, and he is a very positive way that he will look into it and consider the seafarers, and he will issue the letter from the captain of ports. So हेचेर कोणेय तारवटी भावान आपणा वॅक्सीन मेळपाना म्हूण निराशी जावचें न्हू. And we'll see that our efforts of Goan Seamen Association reach all the seafarers of Goa and to achieve 100% vaccination drive for seafarers. भावान आपणा वॅक्सीन मेळपाना म्हूण निराशी जावचें न्हू. And we'll see that our efforts of Goan Seamen Association reach all the seafarers of Goa and to achieve 100% vaccination drive for seafarers. आज थोडे कडेन सेंटराक गेलो थिंगा जायते जाण आमगे तारवटी भाव ओचे आमगे थिंग सेंटर आहाय तेंकोडे आधार कार्ड आनी SID कार्ड हो CDC सोदताय. पूण हांव मागोता आमगे तारवटी भावांकडे जाता जाल्यार तुमी पासपोर्ट नंबर दिवन रेजिस्टर करचे आनी नेक्स्ट एविडन्स तुमी CDC वो SID दाखोवचे. पांच जाण तारवटी भावांनी आपणागे दुसरी CDC जे इंडियन CDC ना तेंकोडे बमुडा, लायब्रेरियन ओ पानामा ह्यो CDC दाखोवन देखून वॅक्सिनेशन घेयलां. पूण अदर सेंटरां अदर जाणां ते कोणा. सो दे आर ओनली लुकिंग फॉर इंडियन CDC or SID. सो असले कडेन वचून आसल्या जाल्यार तांणी आमगे गोवन सीमेन एसोसिएशनाक ताबडतोब मेळचें आनी असो प्रोस्ट आमी सॉर्ट आउट करतले. 4 to 6 weeks we have already made a letter to the Chief Minister on the 2nd of June. So we have already demanded, or demand already ताका घायलोलो पूण अजून तेतून कांय लक्ष जालो ना. So 4 to 6 weeks we have demanded.
Now, if we vaccinate only with one dose, then there are heavy chances that he may not get the same vaccine when he goes on the international water. So he should take both the doses before joining on board ship. That is their requirement. Now, if you see then in Goa, or especially in India, the pace of vaccination is very slow. And there are also in other nationalities where the people are already been vaccinated and waiting to join on board ship. And we being Indian, you can say second largest seafaring suppliers in the world, we should have a continuous running of chain, and for that we required a vaccinated crew all the time. So if a person is given a vaccination and he has to wait 84 days, what happens is there will be no crew change at that time. So what the shipping company does is they take the crew from other nationality like Indonesia, Philippines, Russia, Ukraine. So they are already vaccinated and available to join. So Indian crew are losing the jobs. So it is very, very necessary that the gap, whatever the government has, they have taken a very good initiative of giving key workers, the word key workers, frontliners, and they started vaccination. Also in India, it started in Kerala first, but it started in Goa also now.
Dr. Seamen Sawant, CM of Goa, we request you, help our seafarers to get their livelihood, to get their jobs back. As it is, we are really having a crisis of not having jobs. Please let us not lose the job people who already have it. So help us to retain the job that the boys have, and please help them to reduce this time from 12 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks.